Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to publish articles on WordPress website. If you're running a blog or a business website, publishing articles is one of the most important ways to share content, attract visitors, and grow your audience. WordPress makes it easy to create, edit, and publish posts, but if you're new, the process can feel a little confusing at first. To begin, open your browser and log into your dashboard on WordPress. Once you're inside the admin panel, you'll see the main menu on the left-hand side. From the sidebar, click on Posts, then select Add New Post. This will open the WordPress editor, where you can create your article. At the top of the editor, you'll see a field to enter your post title. This should clearly describe what your article is about and help attract readers. Below the title, you'll find the Content Editor. WordPress uses a block-based editor, which allows you to add different types of content, such as paragraphs, headings, images, videos, lists, and quotes. Start writing your article by adding text blocks, formatting headings, and inserting any media you want to include. You can also drag and rearrange blocks to structure your content the way you like. On the right-hand side, you'll see the Post Settings panel. Here, you can configure important details such as color, typography, dimensions, borders, attributes, and advanced settings. Adding these details helps improve your site's structure and SEO. Once you're satisfied with your article, click the Publish button in the top right corner. WordPress may ask you to confirm publishing, especially if it's your first time. After confirming, your article will go live on your website. You can also choose to schedule your post instead of publishing it immediately. This is useful if you want your content to go live at a specific date and time. After publishing, your article will be accessible to visitors and can be shared across platforms. Using WordPress makes it simple to manage and publish content, whether you're running a personal blog or a professional website. To summarize, publishing an article on WordPress involves going to Posts, creating a new post, adding your content using blocks, configuring settings like categories and images, and clicking Publish. You can also preview or schedule your post before making it live. And that's how to publish articles on a WordPress website. Once you get familiar with the editor, creating and sharing content becomes quick and efficient. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.